What's the meaning of botnet? Botnet. Botnet.
Botnet. Botnet. A botnet is a collection of internet-connected devices that have been infected with malware and can be controlled remotely by a cybercriminal. These devices, which may include computers, smartphones, and IoT devices such as cameras and routers, are often used to carry out various malicious activities without the knowledge of their owners. The activities could include sending spam emails, launching distributed denial of service (DDoS) attacks, stealing personal information, and spreading additional malware. The use of botnets allows cybercriminals to carry out their activities anonymously and with a greater degree of automation, making it difficult for authorities to track and stop them.